What do you know about the current public health guidelines around COVID?
Well, basically, I know they're telling us not to have any big gatherings, or I'm basically to stay alone. It's gotten to the red zone now, and we should just stay alone. For Thanksgiving, no big gathering.
I'm aware of everything, keeping up with it. I know we're in the orange and likely going into the red by end of day today. What that really means is kind of nonsensical, since they're changing the rules as we go along anyways. So,
well, I know that obviously I have to wear a mask everywhere I go, and that I can't be seeing too many people. I know they reduced it to 6, and now I don't know if we're allowed to be seeing people. We're just going into the second wave, so that's normal. I mean, hopefully it's over soon.
I don't usually have people over, not at all. And I suppose maybe we won't have anyone now for a while, because it's getting worse.
I social distance, and nobody comes in my house right now, and I feel a lot safer that way. Yeah.
I think the bottom line is try to be mindful of not getting together in large groups, be it public or especially in private gatherings.
Well, my school just had a corona outbreak right now, so I had to get tested, but I'm negative, so yeah, I'm just gonna stay home for a little bit.
what I find hard is trying to make sure the public keeps up with what's going on, whether the rules are stricter or less strict. It doesn't seem that the majority follow them anyways.
What I feel is that some people might not respect them. Maybe it's a lack of understanding of what's going on, or sometimes when you're young, you just feel you're invincible.
Do you feel kind of safe going out and about and doing things right now?
As long as I keep my distance, I figure, we're on the sidewalk, we keep our distance as much as possible, and we wear a mask all the time.
My modus operandi hasn't really changed that much because I'm really mostly at home. I do get out, and if I do, I wear the mask in public places. I limit the kind of gatherings I get, but I also want to live my life.
Are you going out a lot and kind of going to restaurants or bars?
No. I have a 6-month-old at home, and I don't really want to take a chance. I want to be able to see my parents and let them see their grandchild. So the only places we go is for walks outdoors, and if we need to go to stores for necessities, that's when we go.
There's people that like to have more company, but it's each their own, But I figure the safest thing right now is to stay alone in your house.
I think it's just being kind of mindful and being logical and say, look, you're kind of, if we're going to get the summer and people are just getting cabin fever, want to get together, but that's why the spike it's not only in Montreal, the spike has gone up because people are just getting too close, too many gatherings.
How do you feel about us going into the red alert?
Well, not good, because I think it could have been prevented. Maybe we were too lenient. Some people just took advantage of what felt like a new freedom.
I'm not looking forward to it, obviously, because I'm not going to be able to see my friends and stuff, but I'm just gonna have to stay at home for a little bit.
Honestly, I think it's more or less irrelevant. I don't think they can call it orange or red, whatever they want. They're going to change the rules anyways as they see fit. I think putting a label on it is just a way of trying to scare people or put fear into people that if it gets worse, we might end up where we were at the beginning of the pandemic.
It's just too dangerous. We don't know the outcome of when we catch it, what will really happen to us in the long run. Even if it's not that bad, they're saying there's side effects that can last forever. So it's scary,